All right, everybody, you've seen my little intro there on how I found my keys. You can see my AirTag is in this little case. Highly recommend getting one of the key cases. Just unsnap it. You pull it out right here. This is one of these items you don't know you need it until you get one. Highly recommend this. Dropped my keys or left it somewhere, it gives me a notification that, hey, you've left your keys, go back and pick it up. And I'm gonna show y'all, if you wanna open it up and change the battery, you just put a little twist on it, and it takes a CR 2032 batteries, and this one battery will last up to a year. Put it back on, you wanna put it back on and do like a little twist to it. And did you hear it kick on, that it lets me know that it's active? This is IP67 certified, waterproof, dustproof, so it can. I wouldn't submerge it for a long time in water. If you're gonna do that, get some sort of little casing and put it in. But I'm not worried about these getting wet. I think they're tough, they're durable. It has a nice seal on it. You can see up close here, it has that little lifted up edge. This thing feels extremely premium too. Has the Apple logo in the center there. It's very soft edges on it. You can fit these down inside of a wallet. That way if you ever lose that, you can find it pretty easily. And it has a very loud speaker to it. Let me play the speaker for y'all. So let's just say that it's not lost, but you just wondered where you left your keys. Listen to this. Listen to that little sonar. Is that not loud? I don't know how well you're hearing it in a mic, but that's pretty loud. And one of the cool features is you can pull up your Find My Phone app, and it's got devices down at the bottom. Click on devices, and this actually, within about 30-foot range, it'll let you know the direction you want to go to find this, so you can really locate it. And like I said, you want to get one of these little cases with it, and these little cases kind of work like that. Saved me many times. There it is, everybody, the Apple AirTag. I think everybody should get one of these. I would stick these things on everything. I'll use them as earrings. I would stick this around as an earring, have it on my head. See you in the next video. Woo!